Hi guys, welcome back to JD's Kitchen. Thank you guys for stopping by. Today we will share with you guys this delicious cabbage omelette recipe. So for our ingredients, you need your shredded cabbage, you need some carrots, and then you need some sliced green peppers. You also need eggs, any number of your choice. I will be using 2 eggs. You also need some chopped tomatoes and some sliced onions. You could use the white ones, the red ones, whichever you prefer. You also need some curry powder, some white pepper, some salt, and seasoning cubes. Now I go ahead to crack open my eggs, and then I pour in all my ingredients. That's my white pepper, my curry powder, my salt, and seasoning cubes, all in at once. Now I go ahead to add in my tomatoes, my onions, my green peppers, and my carrots. Now these green peppers were the highlight of this omelette for me. I loved how it just gave it an extra flavor. It was so delicious. If you are trying to lose weight, this is one meal you should consider making, maybe for breakfast, or maybe when you're trying, if you're, let's say you're doing intermittent fasting, you could have this as your meal and maybe with some other things at the side. But this is really delicious. It's spicy, it's tasty, it's really nice. And I know that there are lots of people who do not like cabbage, especially kids. They feel like cabbage looks like onions, and I know that a lot of kids as well do not like onions, so they shy away from eating cabbage. This is one way that you can infuse those vegetables into your kids' meal. Like when you present it to them, I mean, people eat first of all by what their eyes see. Like if their eyes look at it and it's looking like spaghetti omelette, they'll be like, oh my god, I want to eat this. And so yeah, you could do this for your kids and see if they like it. So I mixed everything, ensured that every part of the cabbage was touching some egg, and then I put my oil on the fire, and then I just spread it out in the pan, just like how you do your spaghetti. At some point I realized that the oil was a lot and you do not want to have a lot of oil, so I went in with a spoon and then I took out some of the oil. I allowed my omelette to fry for a total of about 5 minutes at most, and it was ready. The advantage with making this is that you don't overcook your vegetables. It doesn't spend long time on the fire. That was actually raw cabbage. Like I didn't do anything to my cabbage. I just washed it and sliced it, and staying on the fire for 5 minutes doesn't overcook it. So this is a very healthy and delicious meal you can make for your family. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We are currently at 2,500 subscribers. Thank you to all my amazing 2,500 foodies. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming. If it's your first time on this channel, please do me well to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.